Well, hello everybody. Today, the 6th of December. Well, look, it's non-farm payroll day today, so not really a day to be day trading, in my opinion. Very risky, and of course, it led to some pretty brutal moves on the equity markets there, as we saw some very interesting data on non-farm payroll there, sort of coming in slightly better than expectations, of course, on the number of jobs created, and that unemployment rate, coming in very nicely at 7.0. So very big and very, very big reactions from that. So don't really want to look at the short-term charts because, quite frankly, no one should be trading over it. So let's have a look at the longer-term charts and just a couple of markets that are continuing to move quite nicely this week. Really, euro dollar first of all here. You can see this market moving on quite nicely. Now we are long this market for 134.56. The market now just over 230 points or so in the money on this trade. So going really, really nicely so far. Excellent trade, move way in excess of any sort of one-to-one, so we're making pure profit on this trade now, which is great. We can also have a look at dollar Swiss, which has been relatively slow for the first couple of weeks, I guess a little bit like euro dollar, but also moving on significantly now. That original short with the downtrend on dollar Swiss there from 91.27, we're now 89.43, so about 180 points to the good on that market. Target down to 89.09 really on this market there, so we're only about sort of 30 points or so from that target. I suppose we could certainly be forgiven for notching some profits there as we move into the long weekend. So nice move, nice couple of moves on those currency pairs. Otherwise, this week, a couple of moves against the trend really kicking in, particularly on those indices. We saw a number of things here. Really, first of all, the Dow, trade against the trend there. We had that short from that 16,006 against the trend. So you got to take your profits quickly, guys. You're not going to have big moves on the move like that one. And what have we had? Well, first target, that one-to-one, achieved very, very quickly indeed there on the Dow chart there, way ahead of really interest rate data yesterday, and of course the non-farm payroll today, which has led to that significant rally off those lows. So really nice move there on the Dow this week, and of course if I move through to the DAX as well, which is another big move this week, we had an opportunity to sell here. Now what I can tell you about the Dow, based on this sniper strategy that we've got here, basically we're running at a 79% rate that this market is going to move a minimum of 60 points, and move an absolute minimum of that it certainly has done, and certainly gone on really, really nicely. Again, like the Dow, accelerating a little bit back higher again today, but certainly a nice move after that initial short from the 3rd of December, 4th, 5th. Lovely move, falling a good sort of 150 points or so, and then reversing a little bit back there. Still in profit on it at the moment, but I know some transient users have taken profits already. So some nice moves really this week, and just continuing further on a number of those markets there. So a little bit of action there on the longer term charts on really what is and what should be a quiet day for day traders today over some unreliable and changeable data there. Anyway, have a good week end, everybody there. Hope you all have a good time, and then we'll be back and breezy back on Monday there. Back to hit the markets once again. All the best, and bye-bye.
If you would like more information about trading the right way, Trend Signal is giving you the opportunity to see and hear about its services live at a free online seminar. Take a look at the Trend Signal website for the latest events and to book your free place.